Okay, so what is better? Amazon selling on TakeAlot, using Shopify, doing drop shipping, using Clickbank or Digistore 24. What's the better option? Which one should you choose? And here's the answer, right? None of them, because none of them are opportunities, right? You can use them, but you're looking at it the wrong way. This was actually a question that was posed by a friend on Facebook, and I basically gave him an answer. I'm just going to put it up here. You can go and check that out if you want. But the whole thing here is things like Shopify, Amazon, TakeAlot, they are not opportunities. What they are is they are tools. Think about it like this. If someone came to you and said to you, buy a drill or buy a hammer, it's a great business opportunity, you would think that person is crazy. Well, it's exactly the same when it comes to these platforms. You need to think of them as tools, right? But they are not, in fact, the actual opportunity. So let me give you an example of how this would work. If someone basically told you that there was a town, okay, we're speaking hypothetically here, of course. Let's say there was a town and they had everything in this town except chairs. People didn't have chairs in this town. And the person told you that, the first person to start selling chairs in this town is going to make a whole bunch of money, right? So where is the opportunity? Right? Is the opportunity now in the drill and the hammer, or is the opportunity for the people in the town, right? Is that the opportunity? And for you to take advantage of that opportunity, firstly, you need to have skill to be able to use the drill and the hammer to be able to make this furniture or these chairs so that you can supply it to this town. So you see how the opportunity doesn't lie in the tool. The opportunity lies with the audience, with the people that are having a problem or who have a need, right? So that's how you should think about things like Shopify, dropshipping. All of these things are just tools. So when you think about a brand like Nike, Nike is, they don't make money because they sell on Amazon, okay? Just because Nike is not a great product because they sell on Amazon. Amazon is not what makes Nike great. You can buy it on TakeAlot as well. You first got to come up with your identity as a business, as a brand, and who you basically serve. In the beginning, right now, everyone wears Nike, right? Everyone in the gym and wherever. But in the beginning, Nike was not very well known. Nike became popular by going via the basketball industry. They associated themselves with an influencer in the form of Michael Jordan in basketball. And when people started following Michael Jordan, guess what? They saw, wow, this guy wears Nike. And that's how the brand really started taking off, because the biggest supplier of shoes at that time was Converse. Go and watch the movie if you haven't watched that movie as yet. So when you're looking at opportunities, don't try to look for the opportunities in the tools. They are just tools. The opportunity lies in identifying who is the target market you are targeting here. Who is the niche? Who is the audience? That's why it's always recommended that when you're starting a business, you look at something in the beginning that you are familiar with. So if you are someone that goes fishing and you know that there's a big problem with the fishing rods that people use, and you come up with a new type of fishing rod that will make it easier for people to fish, then you serve that market because you have an intimate knowledge about the market. Later on, you can start other businesses that you have no idea about the industry, but you still need to learn. Who is the audience? What is it that they need? Once you've identified what they need, you produce content that shows them that you know how to solution their problems. What is that going to do? It's going to help you build trust with that audience. And then number 3, you can provide solutions to these people and they will then buy those products. So you see, there's a step-by-step process, but don't look at Amazon or TakeAlot or whatever as the opportunity. Once you have established your brand, you can sell on all those platforms and you can use all the techniques that you want to use. Like dropshipping it's a method of selling. It's not the actual opportunity. The opportunity is not in dropshipping. The opportunity is in serving an audience wherever they are in the world, and you could use dropshipping as an option in how you deliver that service to people. Or you could put your product on Amazon, and that's one of the ways you deliver that product to people, or on TakeAlot. Or you could have your own website built on Shopify, which is a tool, once again, to deliver that service or product to people. But the opportunity is not in the tool. The opportunity is in the market or the audience that you are serving.